Hello, this is Asim Gulzar and today's video is about making Apam Balik. Apam Balik is Malaysia's most favorite street snack, and like every other Malaysian, my wife just loves Apam Balik. And during this lockdown when it's really hard to find people selling street snacks, my wife, she's been requesting me to make this for her for months. And today's video is all about making Apam Balik exactly the way they make at Pasar Malam, and it will be exactly as juicy and nice as in Pasar Malam. So let's get started. We will crack an egg in a bowl, and we will add half a cup of sugar. So we will give it a gentle mix and keep whisking until the sugar is dissolved. Okay, so it's done, and now we will add 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, followed by half a teaspoon of baking soda. You can get it in any grocery store. And then we will be adding 2 tablespoons of margarine and butter. The choice is all yours, and we will give it a mix again. And once mixing is done, we will add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We will give it a gentle mix before we add any water into it. This will help to reduce lumps further in the recipe. And now we will add 1.5 cup of water, and we will not add all that once. We will add bit by bit. This is actually a technique to get rid of the lumps. So keep adding the water bit by bit, and just keep going with the mix. This is the consistency that we are looking for. So at this point we will be adding 2 to 3 drops of yellow food color. This is the secret ingredient of the people who make it at Pasar Malam. Okay, this is almost done. We'll cover it and keep it aside for half an hour, and we'll take a cup of peanuts and we'll grind them coarsely. Take sweet corn. You can take any of your favorite sweet corn. I like to use full kernel. Switch on the flame under your pan, and the pan that we'll be using is a non-sticky, and we will add around 3 ladles of the batter we prepared, and 3 ladles will make you 1 Apam Balik, and this complete recipe will help you make 3 Apam Baliks. Spread the batter evenly across the pan to make it round and nice. The moment you see bubbles, you sprinkle sugar, peanuts, and corn. You can add margarine or butter, it's totally up to you. It will help to keep it moist inside. And we'll have a look underneath to make sure it's not burning. And if we see the color is good to go, we will just fold it and serve it. It looks exactly the way it looks at Pasar Malam. And it's really nice and juicy inside as well. I'm sure you want to take a bite, but it's not possible through the screen. And I'll ask my wife to give it a try, and let's see how she responds.
Sedapnya. Rasa macam Apam Balik beli kat Pasar Malam. Sebiji sedap.
I think she likes it. And you should try it at home and give us your feedback. And thank you very much for watching. And see you in some other video. Bye bye.